everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is a backpack. You can also use it as a travel bag. You can see it comes with this outer layer right here, which is for if it rains, and then it does come off. It also has like a zipper if you want to use it while it's raining, but you want to use the handle. You can still do that because it has this part that comes out. You can see, you just push this up and it comes right out through there. So it does have that. Let me go ahead and take this plastic thing off real quick so I can show you what it looks like a little more. So it comes off, you just push this out both sides and it's gonna slide right off. This is what the backpack itself looks like. It has a little handle up here where you can hold it. So you do have straps that you can use, and these just clip on right down here. So you can use it either way. And it does have two of those. Back here, it also does have a little thing that, it's like a little bag thing that comes out. And this goes over the wheels if you want to use it without the wheels. Let me go ahead and put it on. Okay, so you can see it covers the wheels if you want to use it like that, and then you just stick it right back up here. As for the bag itself, it has this zipper right here. This pouch is actually really big. Along with this pouch, you can see super deep pouch, goes all the way down. It has this one, which this one has an area where you can put your cards and everything, and then it has pencils, credit cards, books and stuff. So it's a really good compartment right there. And then this is your main part. It has this area over here, which is for your laptop. It has two little compartments right here. You can put your shoes if you're traveling with it. You can see it's really well made, like really sturdy and everything, which is nice. And then it has a little USB port right here so that you can charge stuff inside your phone, and it actually also comes out this way so you can stick it right there and charge stuff in there. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like with it completely filled. Okay, so I did also want to add, it has a pouch right here, a zipper, and over here, and it's just like a mesh little pouch. You can see right there. You can put stuff in there and then just put it back. Just like so. And you can see the inside holds a lot. My daughter is in 7th grade, so she has a lot of school books this year, and then she's able to put her iPad. I do homeschool, and she does all her lessons on the iPad, so this is great and just really convenient, especially because we do travel. So when I do travel, she could take her schoolwork with her and be able to do it as we're traveling. So this literally works so perfect for my needs. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.